This is a quick video on how I found an evap system leak. I bought an affordable smoke machine on Amazon. The link to buy it will be in the description. This is the smoke machine and the baby oil I used. I labeled the bottle it came with like this. I added 30 ml of baby oil as recommended. Do not add more than recommended. I turned the smoke machine on and it started working right away. Remember not to leave this smoke machine in the evap system for too long, as it has an output pressure of 19 to 23 psi. That is more than the recommended psi for my truck. My truck recommends 1 psi of pressure through the evap system. I started on the hose that connects to the vapor canister. This hose goes back to the fuel tank and gas cap. Once I connected the smoke machine to that vapor canister hose, I quickly looked for any leaks on that hose and its passage. These hoses looked bad, but they still held gas fumes. No leak here. I tried to do this in 30 seconds to 1 minute, because I am not sure if the pressure can cause any damage. It looks like no leaks so far. I quickly opened the gas cap and pressure came out, along with smoke. I noticed dots of moisture splashing out here. I also noticed smoke coming out from here. It is hard to see where the leak is because of the gas tank. It's behind the chassis and next to the gas tank. I could not see any leak coming from the top on this side. I took minutes of breaks in between checking every side. While I was waiting with the smoke machine off, I noticed a little bit of smoke coming out from here. Smoke was falling down. I was not sure from where. I have to bring down the gas tank in order to find the problem. I am hoping this is the P0442 code problem. Small evap leak. I checked the top of the gas tank and I could not see any smoke. I couldn't find a leak on top of the gas tank. I have to bring down the gas tank when it's low on gas. Smash a like if you like this video so far. Subscribe to be a subscriber. There were no leaks on this top side of the chassis. I marked a note here for future reference, so I could remember where the leak was coming from. Once I get a good chance to bring down the gas tank, it is best to tackle this job with an empty gas tank. This is how I cleaned the smoke machine. I just drained the used baby oil out. This is how the baby oil came out. The baby oil came out yellow. These are things to consider while using the smoke machine.